Exterior House Paint Color Trends 2025. Get ready to revamp your home's exterior with the hottest paint color trends of 2025. In this video, we will show you the latest exterior house paint colors that are taking the world by storm. As 2025 unfolds, homeowners, architects, and designers are turning their attention to exterior paint colors that elevate curb appeal and reflect modern lifestyles. Stay ahead of the curve and discover the most popular exterior house paint colors of 2025. Watch until the end for inspiration and ideas to transform your home's exterior into a stunning masterpiece. This year's trends blend timeless appeal with bold statements, creating exteriors that feel both contemporary and welcoming. Whether you're planning a new build or updating your current home, these 10 color trends are setting the tone for modern houses and buildings in 2025. 1. Charcoal black adds sleek sophistication. Charcoal black continues its rise as a dominant exterior paint color for modern homes. Deeper than standard grays, this rich tone offers a sleek architectural look that pairs beautifully with wood, metal, or concrete accents. In 2025, it's especially popular for minimalist homes and urban-inspired builds, offering contrast and boldness without looking too harsh. This color not only emphasizes modern geometry, but also allows landscaping and natural materials to pop. 2. Warm white brightens with softness. Gone are the days of cold, stark whites exterior house paint colors. This year, warm white tones like ivory, cream, and alabaster are trending for their ability to soften modern lines while maintaining a clean, contemporary aesthetic. These shades bring warmth and depth to exterior walls and work exceptionally well with contrasting trims or dark roofs. In sunlight, they glow rather than glare, making them ideal for both suburban homes and coastal properties. 3. Earthy olive grounds the design. Olive green is emerging as a fresh favorite in 2025, especially for homeowners who want a natural, earthy vibe with a modern edge. This muted yet rich green pairs well with neutral trims and wood elements, creating harmony with the surrounding landscape. It's an excellent choice for homes nestled in wooded areas or neighborhoods focused on sustainable, eco-conscious design. Olive speaks to a desire for serenity and connection to nature. 4. Cool taupe balances modern warmth. Taupe has found its footing as a versatile exterior house option. In 2025, cooler versions of taupe are gaining popularity for their ability to straddle the line between gray and beige. This middle ground provides a calm, neutral backdrop for modern homes, while still offering more visual interest than basic white or gray. When combined with black or charcoal accents, cool taupe creates a layered, contemporary feel without appearing too stark. 5. Dusty blue offers subtle personality. For homeowners looking to introduce a touch of color without going bold, dusty blue is the answer. Muted and soft, this shade introduces personality and charm without overpowering the structure. In 2025, it's being used on a variety of homes, from coastal cottages to modern farmhouses, bringing a subtle coastal vibe to urban and rural settings alike. Paired with crisp whites or warm wood tones, it feels fresh and timeless. 6. Terracotta makes a warm comeback. Inspired by sun-baked earth and Mediterranean style, terracotta is making a vibrant return in exterior design. While once seen as dated, today's terracotta hues are more refined and modern, offering depth and warmth that stands out without clashing with nature. This bold, burnt orange tone is ideal for homes that embrace a desert modern or bohemian vibe. In 2025, it symbolizes a creative, welcoming energy that embraces individuality. 7. Deep forest green invites a sense of tranquility. Modern homes are increasingly embracing darker greens for their timeless, grounding qualities. Deep forest green, in particular, offers a luxurious alternative to black or charcoal while remaining rooted in nature. It's sophisticated, calming, and pairs exceptionally well with stone, brick, and natural wood finishes. This color trend is especially appealing to homeowners who want their homes to blend seamlessly with their natural surroundings. 8. Soft Greige delivers contemporary comfort. Greige, a mix of gray and beige, continues to thrive in 2025, particularly in its softer variations. This adaptable color brings comfort and simplicity to modern exteriors without being too warm or too cool. It harmonizes easily with bold trims or subtle detailing, making it a go-to for homeowners who want a timeless look that won't fade with changing trends. Its understated elegance works across architectural styles, from mid-century to modern craftsmen. 9. Rust red makes a statement. For bold homeowners looking to make a design-forward statement, rust red is one of the most exciting color trends of 2025. Rich, earthy, and deeply saturated, this color brings a sense of boldness without the brightness of classic red. It pairs beautifully with black or bronze accents and works particularly well in contemporary rural settings or homes that lean into industrial modern aesthetics. Rust red feels both confident and connected to the natural world. 10. Slate blue-green combines calm and cool. Somewhere between blue and green lies the soothing slate blue-green tone that's trending heavily this year. It brings a unique serenity to modern exteriors, offering depth and dimension while remaining peaceful and approachable. In 2025, exterior paint colors are shifting toward deeper connections with nature, softer contrasts, and bold statements that reflect personal style. Homeowners are prioritizing both longevity and individuality, choosing colors that complement architectural details and the surrounding environment. Whether your home is minimalist, rustic, coastal, or urban modern, these trending colors can bring a refreshing update that enhances curb appeal and captures the spirit of the times.